The ducks in the pond quack, 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 quack. The ducks in the pond quack, 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 all around the pond. The duck in the pond quack, 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 quack. The ducks in the pond quack, 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 all around the pond. Good morning, children, and welcome back to the phonic class again. Now, children, for the vocabulary words, you need to take your phonic 5 picture book. Okay, so you will take this book out and then we will turn on to the page number 19. As you can see here, page number 19. Okay, so here we have the qu sound. Which sound? Qu sound. Okay, and these are all the related pictures of the qu sound. So let's read out together. So the first one here is question mark. Say with me, question mark. Qu question mark. Qu question mark. Second is quarter. Quarter. Let me explain you what is quarter. So this is the full circle and we have divided it into 4. Okay, so the first one piece is called quarter. Okay, so quarter. Say with me, quarter. So the third picture is queen. She is wearing a crown, so she is queen. Queen. Say with me, queen. Queen. Quill. Quill. So this is not the this is a type of feather they used to write letters before. Okay, so it's called quill. Quill. The last picture is quilt. Quilt. Say with me, quilt. Yes, nowadays you are using quilt because it's gold. So these are all the related pictures of the qu sound. So let's read again. Question mark, quarter, quarter, queen, queen, quill, quill, quilt, quilt. So these are the related pictures of the qu sound. You need to learn these pictures and you need to memorize it. Okay, children? Okay, children, now take your textbook, my first writing book, small letters. Okay, take this textbook out and then turn on to the page number 39. Okay, so here we need to trace and write the qu sound, okay, with a correct formation. So here we have the first line with dots. Okay, so we have the first line with dots, so we will write on the dot, and then from the second line we will write without dots. Okay, so you need to make the formation very correct, children, as I have told you before as well. So make the curve to the left, standing line and small slanting line. Okay, children, you can say with numbers also. 1, and 3. So in this pattern you will write the qu sound in the first line. Okay children, and from the second line we will write without dots. So you will place your pencil on the given dot and you will make the curve, okay, to the left, standing line, and then the small slanting line to the right. Okay, again curve to the left, standing line, small slanting line to the right. You can say with numbers as well. 1, 2 and 3. So children, in this way you will do the homework, okay, for today. So this whole page you need to do. If you are tired, you can do the half page now, and later on you can finish the rest of the page, okay children, but you need to finish it today, and you need to send me on my WhatsApp, okay children. Now children, let's revise all the sounds that we have learned till now. Okay, so these are all the sounds that I have written in the notebook, so we will read it out together. Okay, s, a, t, I, p, n, k, k, e, h, m, d, g, o, a, l, f, b, j, z, v, v, y, x, qu. So children, you need to read it together. Okay, so let's read again. S, a, t, I, p, n, k, k, e, h, d, g, o, a, l, f, b, j, z, v, v, y, x, qu. Okay children, so you need to read all the sounds. Okay, first you will read it slowly and then you try to read it in a little fast way. Okay, so practice reading it and you need to memorize it as well. Okay children, thank you for watching. Bye bye.